first full day, and this is the first time I've seen Cameron's name. So this is a record. Cameron usually happens a lot earlier. All right, Adriana, I want you to come up here. And then we have some witnesses. Let's see, you have Kara. I can read Irina. What's that name? Rachel. So Kara, Rachel, and Irina. I want you to come up here too. Rachel, come back. All right. And she comes back. All right. So, Cameron, I'm a little worried about you. You're musically gifted. Everybody sees that. You've got a good voice. You can play instruments. You were on your way in the van to a church camp. You weren't playing I'll Fly Away. You weren't playing Amazing Grace. It says that you were blasting It's Raining Tacos. What do you have to say for yourself? It's raining tacos. Your ears hurt. All right, so let's be fair about this. Well, let's see. Cameron, I already know how it's going to go, but how do we find Cameron? All right, he's guilty. And Cameron, it's going to be raining tacos for you. These girls, you three, and then Rachel. Yes, go ahead.
I personally have never heard of this song. Do we have an illustration of this song? It's raining tacos. Whenever that is, Cameron, you've got it pretty easy. You see how your hands are in your pockets right now? You might as well eat lunch like that on that day because these girls are going to be feeding you those tacos. Whatever, it's nachos, tacos, whatever it is, you get the spoon feed or